Hello, hi. What are we treating here? Good relationship that brings a good, successful family. When you bring a good relationship, you build it to bring a good, successful family. Today, I want to talk about besties. Who is your bestie? Who is my own bestie? It matters a lot. When you have a wrong bestie, or when you become a wrong bestie to someone, this is when the relationship will not bring a good, successful one. A lot of besties, you doesn't keep their you don't keep your integrity intact. Your best friend in the school, and two of you are bestie, you grow together, you are moving together, you wear clothes together the same time, you love yourself together. And when good things begin to come, maybe this one is getting married or this one I'm getting, you tell your friend that you're getting married. And this your friend look at this bestie and this your bestie and see that things is ultimately beautiful, nice for you. To the extent that this your husband now is wealthy, and her own husband, people that comes to her, they are not wealthy. You don't know your time. You don't know whether your time is in the afternoon or your time is in the evening. You don't know. Besties has become a lot of betrayers. There are people that made their husband or their wife besties and they still betray them. There are a man that you stay with. The man don't even like the wife to be happy. He don't want you to wear good clothes and go out. Why? The reason will be that you will be floating around. In a flate or water she flate. You will see, and this is who you call your bestie. That's your husband. You tell your husband everything. And when you want to go out, the man don't want to start business for you so that you will not be giving your family money. Is it a bestie? A lot of besties have betrayed their besties. Some is a wife. You come in and you become your husband's bestie. Your own family members will be coming inside. That man will be building them, helping them, doing one thing or the other. Once he mentioned his own family, bam, problem has begun. You give him stress. You know, we women, we know how to stress our husband when we don't want them to do some things. You give him stress. Be a good bestie. Be a trustworthy bestie. Be a bestie that will not betray a bestie. You notice that your bestie today is helping you because he have. Once he don't have again, you will say thank God that you know that he will not have. You know that before that he have, that he's doing guy for you. Those things he has given to you is what we are going to use against that bestie. And this is the reason why a lot of people don't want to do good. This is the reason why a lot of relationships are breaking today. This is the reason why there is no good relationship that want to bring a good, successful family, a good, successful a business, a good, successful thing. In that business, you two of you are doing combined. Maybe this one is buying this kind of goods, and you are buying this kind of goods, and two of you are selling. His own is moving, your own is not moving. Please wait, exercise patience. Don't buy that man because his business is moving. Besties, stop betraying your bestie. Good relationship brings a good, successful family.